Hello all. I want to present my new system for making matcaps. So if you encountered the same problem as me, that free matcaps in the web have different qualities, different sizes, different artifacts, different light directions, but you want to have a solid and high quality set of matcaps that allow you to preview materials, to preview a very complex scene fast, because matcap is one of the fastest way to preview material. So if you want this, um, my system will allow to solve your problem, will allow to make many matcaps very fast. Let's check how it works. It works very simple. Here I have empty output folder. Let's make it empty, actually empty. And F12, fast render, little processing to blur and extend edges to avoid black outlines on the edge when you, especially when you use orthographic view. And here matcap. If I want to make another one, I change material on this ball. Also I will change frame, pressing left or right arrow, and it will change postfix for file. Here it is IQ2, preview 2. Let's switch gradients to have this one, and F12 again processing, and here it is. Low quality preview and high quality EXR. So let's test it. Let's test these two matcaps. I have second scene here empty material, and sorry, let's choose first matcap. Here it is, and let's choose second matcap. Link materials, yes, and change back to gold. Here two nice matcaps. On two Susannas and two balls. Right in Eevee, also it will work with cycles. And shader is very simple. Special vector, matcap image, emission. Also you can mix it with another material, another shader to have fake reflections, for example, or mix color like this, mix RGB. For example, let's multiply to something green, like this. Easy. And here I have second special material that allow to make fake reflections. It is simple too. Special vector, it's muted, and environment map, emission and output. Let's duplicate it make new material and change environment map to something from my library. Thank you HD Heaven for such nice HD rise. So we have two fake reflections. We can mix, for example, mix it with diffuse BSDF like this. I have noise blur node that allowed to shift pixels and make reflection blurry. Also, the same system will work for 279. I made it. Let's switch to zero frame. Yes. Switch to another gradient, for example, F12. Old cycles little slower as new. Processing, and here we have third matcap. Sorry. What else? What else can I say about the system? Compositing, of course. In Matcap Factory, here bleed margin. It is composite node that makes this margin, blurry margin. Also output for preview, you can mute it if you don't want preview, if you want only XR. Also you can duplicate and make your own format. For example, you want PNG with alpha channel like this. Let's mute this and mute this. So F12 render, and here it is, preview PNG. With. Let's mute alpha over to have alpha channel. Alright. Here, without black background, we have preview. Like this. That is all. Thank you for your attention. Welcome to my Gumroad. Also, I forgot one important thing. It doesn't matter how many people will buy it. I will improve this file and it will update it on Gumroad because I am making the system for myself, and it is very it probably that I found something wrong, something what I want to improve, and I will improve it. That is all. Thank you. Bye. Welcome. See you later.